Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup from a can. First, grab a can of your favorite chicken noodle soup and a suitable saucepan. Carefully open the can using a can opener. Then, pour the entire contents of the soup into the saucepan. This simple first step gets you ready for a warm, comforting meal in just a few minutes. It's super easy to get started. Now, place the saucepan containing your soup onto a stovetop burner. Turn the heat to a medium setting. Stir the soup occasionally to ensure even heating and prevent sticking. You want to bring the soup to a gentle simmer, where you see small bubbles forming, but avoid a vigorous, rolling boil. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes for a standard can. Once your soup is simmering gently, it's ready to serve. Carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. Pour the hot soup into your favorite serving bowl. If you like, you can add a sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives for extra flavor and a touch of color. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your delicious, comforting chicken noodle soup. It's perfect for any time you need a quick, warm meal. For a slightly thinner soup, you can add a splash of water or chicken broth while heating. To boost the flavor, consider adding a pinch of black pepper, a dash of garlic powder, or even a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. These small additions can really elevate your canned soup experience. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.